Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, and this is a beautiful boat we're going to check out today. This is a 2024 SLX 260 by Sea Ray. This is a gorgeous white boat with a teal gel-coated stripe on it. Just gorgeous. You'll notice we got an electric anchor windlass on the front of the boat. And as you make your way back, I want to show you some great features, and then we'll get on board. These are great little options here. These are fender clips. You just pop them in and hold your fenders. Go out to tiny dock lines. One thing I always like about Sea Ray is they always place their cleats in the right positions, no matter if it's a half cleat, midship, or forward. This is a great feature on the SLX 260. You've got this nice swim step that folds down into the water. You've got a really nice swim platform back here. Got this gray sea deck. You can also get it in a brown. Look at how long this ladder is, which is really easy to deploy from in the water or if you're up on the deck. Let's get on board and check out some of the great features. Got a great walkthrough here on the boat. Little door, keep the pets and the kiddos corralled. Underneath here we've got a built-in storage. Tons of storage in this boat. Every seat's got storage under it. I really like this one here because you can put 2 soft pack coolers under there or a good size ice chest. This boat does come with a table. You got a mount for it here. See the nice stainless steel bracket and another mount in the front. These seats on the SLX are awesome. You've got the drop down bolster, but you've also got fully adjustable swivel forward and back, and they put the controls here where they're really easy to get to. You're not trying to reach under the seat. Love the bridged double screen SIM-RADs this boat has, and got nice slots here to put your devices. Cell phones here, put an iPad here, another cell phone there, and if you just lay one right here in the center, it's got a built-in charger made right under the mat there. Gorgeous steering wheel. The fit and finish on these SLXs is unbelievable. Digital controls for your 6.2 Merc Cruiser. We've got a 300 horsepower in here. Another great feature on this model, a nice roomy head compartment. Look how well that's finished down in there. Got a real vacuum flush toilet as well. Moving forward, we've got a nice